Good morning, everyone. Kalimera. I'm back in Chios from Inuses, and this will be my home for the next few days. My host kindly told me I could check in as soon as I arrived, especially since she knew that I've been under the weather, which was really nice of her. Luckily, the weather is beautiful and sunny today, perfect for getting my laundry done. I'd love to explore more of Chios, but for now, I'm taking it easy to fully recover. I went to pick up some groceries, which is within walking distance, and I'm planning to make myself some hot soup again, along with tea with lemon and honey. I actually learned something new on this trip. Adding fresh lemon juice to potato soup gives it a really nice citrus flavor, and I've been completely hooked ever since. Good morning again. It's already the next day. Today, I finally feel well enough to explore more of Chios, so I've come further north on the island to visit a beautiful chapel by the sea. Look at the blue sky. It almost looks like a painting, doesn't it? This footage was filmed using my Insta360 camera mounted on my backpack and facing the chapel as I walked back to the entrance. I was curious to see how it would turn out, and aside from a bit of bouncing, it's actually not bad. I also found some interesting facts about this chapel. It was built around 1700 AD, meaning after death. It is said that Agios Isidoros came from a pagan noble family in Alexandria, Egypt, and anchored at this spot while visiting Chios. And it was the locals later who built this small chapel in his honor.